Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you how to update the software on your LG TV. Keeping your TV software up to date ensures you get the latest features, improved performance, and the best experience overall. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. You can use either a wired Ethernet connection or Wi-Fi. If you're not sure how to connect to the internet, check out our previous video on setting up internet on your LG TV. The link is in the description below. Now, grab your LG remote and press the home button to open the main menu. Navigate to the settings menu. You'll find this option on the top right corner of the screen, represented by a gear icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down to all settings and select it. In the all settings menu, scroll down and select general. Now, under the general settings, find and select about this TV. Here, you'll see the current software version of your TV. To check for updates, select check for updates. Your TV will now search for any available updates. If an update is available, you'll see an option to download and install it. Simply select Download and Install. The download process might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the TV will prompt you to install the update. Select Install. The TV will restart and begin installing the update. This process can take several minutes, so be patient and don't turn off your TV during this time. Once the installation is complete, your TV will restart again, and that's it. Your LG TV is now updated with the latest software. Conclusion: updating your LG TV's software is that simple. Regular updates ensure your TV runs smoothly and you get the latest features. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.